Hi, I wanted to come to you today and speak with you a little bit about how to shut your water off to your house. There are two places that you can shut your water off. One's going to be at your homeowner valve box. The other would be out at your water meter. I'll tell you a little bit more about the water meter in a minute. But your homeowner valve box is normally located within 2 to 3 feet of the exterior beam of the house. And down inside here, let me step across, are the valves to your house. So we've got two valves here. This will shut off the water to the house. This one will shut off the water to the hose bit. And it's just that simple: quarter turn off and then a quarter turn back on. So in case of an emergency, make sure you know where your homeowner valve box is and how to operate it. It could save you a lot of damage in the long run.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.